today's class, we are going to discuss a beautiful story which is adopted from Arabian Nights. This is a story of the seven jars. This is one of the wonderful stories that we are going to discuss today. Long ago, there lived a merchant whose wife had died and who went daily from his lonely house in the foothills to the town below for buying and selling. I must have a holiday, he said to himself one day, and he began to climb up into the hills to enjoy the view and the sound of the forest. In the hot afternoon, feeling sleepy, he looked for a quiet place for a nap. Soon he discovered a cave, so he lay down and slept. Waking up, he felt there was something with him in the caves. Crawling inside, he found a large earthen jar, then another, and another, and another. There were seven jars altogether. Now the merchant wondered if he dared to open them. There was no sound of anyone about. Still, it seemed a bit risky. But curiosity, as you know, is powerful indeed. He found that he could lift the lid of the first jar. And what do you know? It seemed to be full of gold coins. So were the second, third, fourth, and fifth. Under the lid of sixth jar he found an aged piece of paper. On it was written, Finder, beware, the seven jars of gold are yours, but there is a curse. One must who take them with him can leave the curse behind. Now, next to curiosity, greedy is the most powerful urge. Our merchant, overjoyed with his luck, wasted no time in borrowing a two-wheeled cart to carry the jars of gold to his house. It was exhausting and next to impossible. Bulky and hard to lift, they had to be taken two by two in the dark of night. He luggaged them to his house on the last trip. When the seventh jar alone, thankfully, the loaded was lighter and he noticed nothing. Let me count the coins, he thought, and see how great my fortune is. But when the seventh jar was opened, he found it was only half full. What, he cried, I was promised seven jars. How had thrown the note away and forgotten about the curse. The merchant was overcome and obsessed by greed. Now I must fill the seventh jar with gold, was his constant thought. Yet more he put in the jar, strangely it remained half full. He lived some years more, but never did he enjoy spending the gold he had found, because it was never enough. So, from this chapter, we have understood that a person must not be greedy. If he will be greedy, his lust will never come to an end. So, I hope you have understood this beautiful story of the seven jars. So, thank you everyone and have a nice day.